AI is changing our lives, jobs, education, health, and more. Hey everyone, welcome back to CT Academy. Today we're talking about how artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing our everyday lives, especially when it comes to jobs, healthcare, education, and even our privacy. Let's break it down. 1. Jobs in the workforce. AI is now doing tasks that people used to do. For example, self-checkout machines, delivery drones, or AI chatbots that help you online. These are replacing some jobs. But here's the bright side. AI is also creating new jobs like AI developers, data analysts, and tech support. It just means people need to learn new skills to keep up. 2nd, economic growth and productivity. With AI, businesses can work faster and smarter. Let's say a company uses AI to track sales or manage their supply chain. That saves time, cuts costs, and improves profits. This helps the economy grow, but it can also widen the gap between people who know tech and those who don't. So again, learning is key. 3. Healthcare. AI is making big changes in healthcare. Apps can now check your symptoms, smartwatches can track your heart, and AI can help doctors spot diseases early, like cancer or diabetes. This means better care, especially in places where there aren't enough doctors. 4. Education. AI is also changing how we learn. Think of apps like Duolingo or online learning platforms that give you personalized lessons. Even teachers now use AI to track student progress and give better feedback. It makes learning faster, easier, and more fun. 5. Social life and privacy. AI also affects how we talk to each other, like when your feed shows exactly what you like, or when facial recognition unlocks your phone. Cool, right? But here's the catch. AI also collects your personal data, and that raises big questions about privacy and how companies use your info. So, we all need to be careful and aware of how AI is used around us. In short, AI is powerful. It can make life easier, grow the economy, and help us stay healthy and smart. But we also need to be ready for the challenges, like job changes, data privacy, and keeping learning skills that matter. Want to learn more? At CT Academy, we teach you how AI works in the real world in a simple, easy-to-learn way. Visit ctglobal.my and join our courses today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.